I don't think people understand how much a new CPU can boost your system. Let's dive in. So when should you upgrade your processor? First, check if your PC struggles with new games or software. If your CPU usage frequently hits 100%, that's a red flag. Next, consider the age of your processor. Anything older than 5 years? It's probably time for an upgrade. Lastly, if you're multitasking like a pro but your PC isn't, a new CPU can save the day. Remember, faster CPU equals smoother performance. So is it time for you to upgrade? Drop a comment below.